Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and well, there's a Patch Tuesday update today. I actually posted the video a little earlier to let you know, guys, what is available is, of course, a update for security. And now we have the exact plan of what's in there, and pretty interesting because there's some interesting updates, very important to apply the security updates today. So first of all, among all the products of Microsoft, so this isn't just Windows, among all the products of Microsoft, that includes Windows, but it also includes Microsoft Office and all the other software that they might have running. It's 50 different security flaws that are fixed today. But the biggest problem is that there are 6 actively exploited zero-day vulnerabilities, and these are pretty much all in Windows. So that means that there is a high risk of getting a remote code execution or being infected or attacked or snooped on if you don't patch today, because these are already exploited by bad guys, and I mean 6 of them. There's the Windows kernel information disclosure flaw, the Windows NTFS elevation of privilege flaw, Windows DWM core library elevation of privilege, Windows MSHTML platform remote code execution, Microsoft Enhanced Cryptographic Provider elevation of privilege, and Microsoft Enhanced Cryptographic Provider another elevation of privilege. So 6 of these flaws are actively exploited already by bad guys, and add to that a 7th flaw that is also a bad flaw that is capable of remote code execution but is not actively exploited by bad guys. So that means that this Patch Tuesday is of an extreme importance to stay safe. I always say it, security updates, you should always install them. It's not like the bug fixing updates, which are optional and you don't really need them if everything's alright. This has to do with the fact that your computer's security is at stake. I know a lot of people say, well, I'm waiting. One thing that you got to know here is that this is much serious stuff. And it's not because you think that, oh, well, I'm careful what I do on the internet and so on, that you're safe. It's very important to apply these updates, and because that also makes your other people safe at the same time. So pretty crazy to have, it's not such a high number. We've had months where Microsoft had huge numbers of security flaws across its platforms, like more than 100. This 50 is, not that big of a Patch Tuesday, but what makes it huge is really these security vulnerabilities that are already exploited by bad guys. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.